Number 11 is the law of rhythm. The seasons, cycles, systems, and patterns in this world and in the universe are based on this law of rhythm. It states that the creations we see, including us, are part of this, and it's up to us to use it to make our lives better. These rhythms can also be seen in the discovery of the famous mathematician Pythagoras, when he made the musical scales that are being used today based on the waves of the constant sounds of an anvil of a metal worker in the past. He even said that everything has music that can be turned into ratios, and the bodies in the solar system are in a harmony in certain frequencies that the human ears can perceive. This teaches us that life has ups and downs, and if you feel weak now, take your time to recover and don't force yourself, since your body and mind may not be able to handle it. If you feel burned out, take the time to return to your state of well-being. Rest, eat well, meditate, or enjoy your time with nature to be rejuvenated.